Here we are in Foreshore Caravan Park in Bunbury. We've got an ensuite site, so we've actually got our own separate toilet block, but just for us. The only place we could get, extra $5, but still worth it. Right. Okay. So I got the anti-flaps on. Going along the top there. Also got a side. What's actually side? That's actually the privacy screen. Works reasonably well. And then the Thule tie down straps. They're quite long. I didn't bother doing too much, but looks a bit like a humpy, but hey, it's pretty solid. Get this here, hardly doesn't move, so it's pretty good. We got a pretty good area there. Haven't got the chairs out and table out yet. It took me all afternoon to get the awning up, but we've got our own ensuite. Pretty good. Except that's dripping. That's going to drive somebody nuts. Put her on shower. Not bad for $50 a night. And there's the Windsor Daintree.